Hey everybody, I'm going to be talking about my daily beard routine. So all of these products I use pretty much every day to make sure that my beard is nice and clean and well oiled. So before I wash my face, I usually wash my hands just to make sure that my hands is as clean as possible. I don't want any more contaminants, like especially when I'm trying to clean my face on my hands. So I make sure I wash them first and then dry them off with a nice clean towel and put it towards the side. I didn't take off my ring because I hate feeling it, rub against my face. Then I pick my beard wash. Has a nice scent to it. I like to put, about a dime size or a little bit more on my palm and just really lather that up, get it nice and soapy, and just put it on my face. After that, I wash my hands, and then I dry them off, and then I dry my face off, just pat it dry, and put the towel to the side. Next, I use my beard detangler. This product helps keep your hair, separated and not really tangled up or knotted up. So this is, pretty good, especially with my type of hair that I have. It gets kind of nappy a little bit. So I just rub this on and put on my face, and then wash my hands again. Gotta stay clean. Then I use my beard balm. It's like a moisturizer, helps define and really makes it look smooth. So I just take a little bit, about that much, and then just, rub it on my face again. Just really, distribute it on my palms and then apply it directly to my face. And then I wash my hands again. And then lastly, I put this beard conditioner oil. It's almost similar to the beard balm. It's just more liquidy. So it makes it nice and, smooth and really promotes that hair growth. And then I dry my hands off, and then I get my little brush, natural brush, and I brush downward to really even out and evenly distribute the oils. So thanks everybody, hope you liked the video. Please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.